we're confident working together with the American people, doing what the CDC recommends with government and
Hello.
business.
Hey, Michelle. I know it's been a little while. I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing with this whole corona situation.
I'm doing fine. It's kind of random that you're calling.
I know. It's been a crazy week, and I was thinking about you and wanted to make sure that you're doing okay.
It's really sweet of you. How are you?
I'm doing all right at my apartment, doing this quarantine thing and just trying to stay busy.
I mean, I've watched so much Netflix, I think my brain might explode. My roommate's also been out of town for a week and a half. She's in Utah, so I've had quite a bit of alone time.
Well, do you want some company?
I don't think that's a great idea.
I know we haven't spoken much this past year, but we did spend 5 years of our lives together. You probably know me better than anyone else.
I don't know.
We'll keep each other company for a little bit. All right? I promise you, I don't have the coronavirus.
Okay, fine. But we're not hooking up.
I'll see you in a little bit. To old friends, quarantining together.
Cheers.
Cheers. You know what's crazy? Is this place smells the exact same.
It's the apple cinnamon candles, isn't it?
That's what it is. You know, I need to go buy a box of those. I probably shouldn't, because every time I smell it, I'm gonna think of you. Michelle, I had a lot of time to reflect the past week, and I realized that, you know, I miss you in my life.
I really miss you too.
I should have checked in a long time ago.
It's okay. I'm gonna be right back. Why don't you pick a movie for us to watch?
I think I know the perfect one.
Asen?
Gotcha, bitch.